Be one of the best parts of the trip. We'll be seeing the arch, going through these arches. Can't remember the names of them, Fragoliani or something like that. But anyway, so here you go. Going through the arch, going by the arch. Right now the sea's really choppy. We're on the east side of Capri, and just kind of having a nice little boat ride up and down. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Too cool. Way too cool. Just kind of floating on in. Cut the motor and moving right along. Footloose and fancy free. I'm so glad the weather has changed to being milder.
Wow, look at this.
Nicer. How calm it gets. That's Antonio. Yay! Woohoo!
These rocks are slippery. Now we're going between the rocks too. Very, very small. Not everybody come here. Because there is just one point where you just round you touch.
And then we're going to go around.
35. First time I was on the boat was with my grandfather 5 years old. Wow.
And the wind is back in our face. Woohoo! Wow.
My God.
Back in the sun.
Same name.
Look at those.
You named after him? No. My name Antonio. My grandfather was Costanzo. I have the name of the other grandfather, Antonio.
Nicely done.